Greetings, greetings, greetings. Tell me something. You trust in a Jesus. You know, say anyhow, you trust in a Jesus. You special bad or good. Eh? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God and talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with everybody where you know. And if you don't do it yet, now at the best time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here so every morning 5 o'clock Jamaica time.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the first letter from Peter, chapter 2, from verse 4 to verse 10. When you come to the Lord, I want stone where I live, you come to. It might like one stone where I live, where people did turn them back pan and say, nah, no use, but one way God pick and we what whole heap to God. So if you come to the Lord like stone where I live too, and make God's spirit use to build up God's house. In that house there, go be one group of priests for God. And for God one. And go burn sacrifice where God's spirit say fi burn. And him will take that sacrifice there. See what Jesus Christ do. Cause can read in a God word say, me a put on one stone in a Zion. One special stone we join up the two wall them in the corner. That are the most important stone in the building. That stone there are one when me pick, and anybody we trust in him now go end up feel shame. No, for all I know we believe in the Lord, that stone here what enough. But for the one them we no believe, the stone where the builder dash one side, it turn the main stone. And one next part in a God would say, this our stone we cause man to tumble down, one rock where we trip them. Them tumble down a ground cause they never follow what God say. And that our God did plan for them. But our set of people where God pick. Are the king priests and God are the king. Our special people where God take for turn film owner people them. In pick so you can tell other people how big him be and how good him be. Cause him said one, take out of darkness and come put in a bright light. One time I never got people, but now a fame own. He used to have pity pound, but now him good and kind to uno. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.